This is a review of the Keston Laura clock camera Wi-Fi. It comes with the HD 1080p wireless small camera, which is a really a cool feature to have for a camera clock. So we're gonna see how well this thing works, and we're gonna go test this product out because it really is a really a cool thing to see, of especially having a clock that has a hidden camera, which is very interesting. So yeah, we are going to unbox this and show you guys what you get inside this package, and from there we are also going to test this product out. So without going any further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside this package. Okay, so this is everything you get inside this package. Now, the first thing first is that you make sure you take this thing off underneath here, because that's where you're going to have to be putting your batteries. So it comes with the built-in batteries, which is a huge plus. So you pretty much put this thing on, close that lid up, and then from there it should turn on. Then from there, I'm going to be showing you guys all the features it has and the functions of it. But yeah, so make sure you take this off and then put this on, and then from there, the camera clock should activate. Okay, so I got the clock installed and ready. So right over here, you can see here, the spy camera is activated here as well too. So pretty much right from here, you can see here, it's 1080p quality. And from here, you can see the clock is right there. So you can pretty much set the time to however time you have, or if you live in central time, you have it set to that. But right over here, the spy camera is on, and this is very useful, especially if you have to take care of any pets or animals that you want to monitor and keep a track on. This would definitely come in handy. And not just that, but this pretty much it also, it's like I told you guys, it has a motion detection, so it could detect that night vision. It's a HD as well too. And you could use this to pretty much monitor your pets and animals. But overall, to set this up was fairly easy and simple. And I can move right over here. You can see as my face right over here. So the camera quality is pretty nice, and it is high quality. It's very good to pretty much to monitor your pets or animals, or any children in the house to monitor. You could do that as well too. Then this really is come in handy because of the fact that you could monitor your pets or animals, something that you care of. And pretty much you can see here, it looks like a clock, but it is actually a camera, a spy camera that's built inside. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this product. It really is a cool gadget to have if you want something to take care of your pets or animals or any children in the home. Then I would definitely recommend this product because of the fact that it looks like a clock, but it's actually a built-in spy camera built in the inside. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this product.